What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. GuysWithABomb.com. Now, in today's video, I will be doing my payday cash stuffing for the first couple of days in July 2022. I cannot believe it is July, y'all, but believe it, it is here. It is a 3 paycheck month for us, so we are diving right in with a cash stuffing. So here we go. Okay, so first, here's my wallet. I already did the unstuffing of all of my cash envelopes, all of these here, and so I had this much money left over. So awesome. So let's see, that's a total of 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and $24. So I'm going to take $6 and I'm set that to the side for our private Facebook savings challenge group. We're doing a savings challenge together in our Facebook group. So if you want to know what that is and how you can join in, definitely hit the link in the bio to join our Facebook group. But the rest of this, which is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18, y'all. I love having leftover money. Woo! Okay, so we are going to jump right into my savings challenges, and I already marked it up and got us caught up for the month of May. So I failed in the month of May at the Zero Out Challenge. Well, I won't say failed, because I still was able to contribute $10.62 to the Zero Out Challenge. But for the month of June, your girl did not contribute at all. So I closed out the month of June with this money here. Was that $24? Wait a minute. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. Okay. That's right, because I took 6. So I am just trying to get consistent with my savings challenges again. Now that your girl is feeling better, I am more organized, I've caught up on orders, all of that. So for the Zero Out Challenge, I told you guys I was going to start pulling that out cash so I could track it better. So let me move this. So we're going to throw it right in here as our first contribution to the Zero Out Challenge in cash. I usually do this electronically, but I'm switching to cash because I don't know. See, I think that's the reason why I kind of fell off, is because I kept forgetting to do the transfer. Anyway, just don't be hard on yourself. Sometimes you have these moments. Okay, so next is the cash. I grabbed a total of $200 from the bank. I got the denominations that I wanted. So let's make sure it's right. Oh, look at me being all prepared with my alcohol pad. Oh, I hate when they got the money. Oh, y'all, here we go. Do, 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 do. Ain't no way. Oh, child. Oh, honey. Okay. I think we got some of it. And then the ones. Yes. All right. Whoops. So we have a total of 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 200. So we have a very cute, modest cash stuffing to get done today. I am cash stuffing less on purpose so that we can send more to savings. Okay, so for our budget, we are going to go inside of my digital planner. You can grab it from my website, 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗧.com, and we are going to be working with paycheck budget number 1. So this is my husband's income. We will be budgeting a total of $3,476.54, and that is for 7/1/22. So first things first, we're going to put money to the side for rent / utilities. So that's a total of $1,600. Then next we are going to put money on his credit card. His credit card, which is a balance transfer card. So several balances of old credit cards all stacked. So a total of $483. Then we are going to put $400 to the side for food. Then we are going to come back to the debt category and put $296 to the side for our Tesla car payment. Try to stay a month ahead at least on that. Then Micah gets his usual $200. Then I have our cash here, so that's $200. Then we are going to put $200 into savings. This is not an emergency fund. This is just like savings because we know something unexpected is always popping up lately. And so we're just trying to create a savings to protect the emergency fund, if that makes any sense, which we are still starting from scratch. So emergency fund is getting $85. And then we have our mini savings that we have a $10 trickle every time he gets paid, just to keep the accounts active and open. And then we have our buffer in our bank account, which will get $2.54. So that is how we plan on spending the money for this pay. And the other thing I like to do is hop over to my monthly overview and make sure that we have all of our bills covered till next payday. So our next payday is for Micah's payday anyway. It's not until July 15th. So rent is good. That comes out already from previous money. Homeschool, Wi-Fi, they are on auto pay. So I'll just pay them when they hit the credit card. Then Tesla, we put that, we already made that payment because we're at least a month ahead. Netflix, Pest, and life insurance are all on auto pay. And life insurance, I paid for that out of my side hustle cash stuffing from last month. So that money is sitting there and waiting. So we are good. We're covered for the month. So our goal is to save $2,000 this month. And we have towards our emergency fund. And so we've already put 85. So 85 of $2,000. So I'm just tracking it. Can't wait to meet that goal. And then here is the free spending tracker app that I tend to reach for. I do use other budgeting apps, but this is the one that I use on the go. And so here's my husband's income and how it breaks down. So I like to diversify our spending, make sure we're putting something to the side and something in all categories. So regular bills got $1,600, $779 to debt, $400 to food, $295 to savings, $200 in cash, $200 to my husband, and $254 to the buffer. So that breaks down so that we're spending almost half his check on bills, which is normal because he pays for the rent and car, and I try to cover everything else with my own side hustles throughout the month, and then I pay all of that once a month at the end. Then 22% is going towards debt. 11.5% is going toward food, which is higher than normal, but again, it is what it is. The first, we try to stock up heavy on the first, with the first haul of the month, and then we just add to it throughout the month. 8.49% is going to savings, which I'm really happy with. My goal is 10%. 5.75% is going to cash envelopes and to my husband, and then the rest is buffer. So that is how our money is getting spent this week. Okay, I don't really have a plan for this cash stuffing, but we're going to jump right in and we are going to start contributing to some categories. Okay, so first up is me. I am going to give myself $10. Don't really need anything, so we're good. Groceries is going to get its usual $25. Tips is going to get the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't usually take out ones, but I like being able to split this across a couple people if I see someone in need. Eating out is going to get $50. And that is for the three of us to have stuff to eat out for the next couple weeks. Hawaii is next. This is for if we want to do anything fun. We don't have any paid things coming up, so I think I'm going to skip that. Next is miscellaneous, which will get $10. It's always something that pops up. And then hubby and Eva is going to get $15 in case they want something. And then that it should be it. Yes. Yes. And then next are the sinking funds. So first up, I think I'm going to start in the back. I'm going to start with the thing we contribute to the most money to. And so Tesla is going to get $20. So it now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. Oh, we got some extra money there. Wait, because it says I'm only supposed to have 90, 50, 70, 90, 120. Yeah, okay. So 120, and we added 30. And I just like to put the month now because I want to make sure I'm contributing at least monthly to all of these sinking funds. Okay, and the other one that I care a lot about is car insurance. I want to make sure I stay up on that. We're going to add $20 to that also. So it now has 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, $390. And we added 20 on 72. Nice. I always like to just count it real quick and do a test run. If we do 155 times 6 months, that means I need to save 930 minus 390. Okay, so this is due by October. So I like to put April, October. So we are in the month of July. So August, September, July, August, September, October. So I basically have 4 more months to save this. So I divide it by 4. So that means I need to contribute at least $135 now. So I've been contributing pretty good to keep up with that. Okay, let me just backtrack a little. We are going to add $10 to Amazon. So it now has 60 for Amazon Prime. Plus 10 is 60, and this is for 7 too. And this is due in February. I don't know. I just need to make sure I'm staying on track. So I'm just going to plan on saving. We are in what? I guess I started this. We're in July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. I have 7 more months. So that's $70 plus 60 is $130. And I think it costs $130 or $140 for the year. So we should be good with that. Next is beauty. I forgot Eva did my last cash stuff. And I was like, whoa. And so it's going to get $15. Oh, she had fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Eva. Everybody enjoyed when Eva did the cash stuffing too last time. They were like, bring her back. Like, okay. So beauty now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 131. Okay, so what is that? I'll be contributing to this stuff. 131 minus 45 is $86 total. All right, we already did car insurance, escrow, that's online. Eva, we'll give her $5. She now has $10, $15, $20. Plus she gets Apple Pay money. Next is fund money, which is empty. I'm not contributing to that right now. Gifts has $10. We'll go ahead and add another 5. So now it has 15. So plus 10, 15. That's right, because I didn't update the trackers while we were traveling. We did a cash stuffing while we were traveling. Okay, and then the last thing is Hawaii, which is getting $10. So this is to help us out when it's time to pay extra money for rent. It has 100, 200, 220, 240, 250, 255, 256. So 256 is plus 30, and that's as of 7/2. And then I'm just going to update the trackers on these. Health now has $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15. Every little bit helps. Whenever I need to reach for these envelopes, I just notice I always have enough. $20, $25, $30 in house and hygiene for household products. 30. So plus 5. LV should be the same, 50, 100, 160. Yeah. Haven't felt like I needed to contribute to that in a while. Mike, he has $10. Yeah, he has $10. Month ahead, I don't contribute to yet. Property, no. No. Let me make sure it has 500. Yes. That's electronic. Me row has $10. We just emptied all of these a couple months ago, so it's time to start building them back up. Self-care has $210. Oh, yes. Massages are on the horizon. Okay, so we don't have to update that. And then taxes. Okay. Texas has 100, 110, 120, 125, 130. So plus 5 is 130. I don't think I've been adding the dates. Yeah. 7/2. The dates are important. I did not realize. I'm like, did I contribute to this month already? Alright. And we already did tests. And these are my savings challenges that I contributed to while I was traveling. So we will do a separate cash stuffing for these. Exciting. I'll give you an update on what I was able to save in the month of June. So the party did not stop just because we were traveling. And this is the savings challenge that I'm going to start over again from Brit, Plan Your One Life, because I took the money out of here and used it while I was traveling to help cover expenses. And that is it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.